Hello everyone, I'm Ike and it's great to be back with you guys. Well, I've got good news for you today. We are going to be building this system from scratch to finish. Well, it's going to be a step-by-step process, so I don't know, let's see how it goes. Before we get into the coding, let me just take a minute and go over what we have or what we are going to be doing together. Alright, now this is a computer-based testing application. We've gone past the time or the era of handwritten exams, when you write exams always with pen and paper. Well, this system solves that problem for us. Alright, basically we have three users. We have the system administrator, we have instructors or examiners, then we also have exam candidates or students, however you want to call it. Alright, I'd log in as an administrator right now and would see what is available to the admin. My username as an administrator is Ike and I have a default password of password. Alright, okay. Once an admin is onto our system, he's presented with this. The first page that stares him in the face is a list of the examinations which have been created on the system, both active exams and inactive exams. Alright, and this is the link for that. Then he or she also have an option to add a new exam onto the system. Also, sorry, not exam, add an examiner. Then here he has the power to view created exams. Well, I'm sorry guys, it's like I'm mixing things up. Let me start from top. Manage examiners. Here we have the power to view examiners on the system. This guy, this all the examiners on the system, you get to see them here. You can edit their details or delete them off the system. Alright, next off, an admin has the power to add a new examiner onto the system. Next off, can view created exams, which is the index page, the default page that loads up once an admin logs in. Okay, next off, I think this is an option to create a new exam. Type in the exam title, for how long you want the exam to run, total number of questions you want to make up the exam, or how many questions you intend having the students answer. Then finally, you choose an instructor from the list of instructors already on the system. Alright, that being said, the next option here is view course instructions. Now, once exams have been created, instructors have powers to add instructions to their course, like so. The admin, based off this option, can view instructions on specific courses. For example, clicking on DBMS, we have the instructions on DBMS as supplied by the instructor, not the administrator. He can only view but not upload an instruction. So once you click on the view instruction link, it loads up the number of courses on the system already, so you click on a course to view its instruction. Okay, next off is view candidates. Once you click on this, it brings you back to this same page. So once you click on a course, you get to see the list of candidates registered on this course. If for example we click on this, we have these 5 guys registered on HTML, DBMS, we have 3 guys like that, and you can click on these guys to get a more detailed view. Next option, you could register a new candidate, username, whatever, and here you check the courses you want this candidate to be registered to, or you register the candidate to specific courses here. Alright, okay, next off, well, mind you always can come back and re-edit this field should in case the candidate opt in for a new course. Alright, next off we have the view results option, which displays on a tabular form results that have been completed, and exams that have been completed, results that have been posted on the system, the scores here in percentage, when the exam was written and completed, the course title, username, result ID, and serial number. Alright, next off, the admin can change his password at any time whenever he feels compromised. Alright, that's it for the admin. I'm gonna log out and log in as an instructor. Let me see, I think I have an instructor with a username. Let me see. Examiner let me use that to log in as an instructor. Okay, password, login, not in here. Sorry, let me log in with a different someone that has stuff assigned to him already. Ted, I think. Let's log in as Gatsby. So sorry, I'll log out. Username Gatsby, password is the default as provided by the system. Alright then, now once you log in as an instructor, the default page that stares you in the face is a list of the courses you are registered to, you are assigned to. If you take note, the examiner here is Gatsby. So these are the courses that have been assigned to Gatsby. Those are the courses that loads up in his login or on his logon. Alright, now you can click on this course and it brings you to the list of questions that have been updated or uploaded on this course. These are the questions you as the instructor have uploaded. Alright. You also can edit, but mind you that you can't change certain fields like the course name. I'm trying to click this, it's not giving us an option to do anything. I'm trying to type, it's not moving. Editing this field is in the power of the administrator, not an instructor. Alright, but what you can do is change for how long you want the exam to run, or change the number of questions you want to be answered on the exam, but you can't change the course instructor. It remains you only. Our instructor is the only one who can change that. Then you can activate or deactivate the exam. Also, if you take note of this notice up here, you can't activate an examination that sufficient questions have not been loaded on. So before activating an exam, be sure that you've uploaded the total number of questions at least, which you've set. For example, we have 5 here, you should have uploaded 5 questions. Alright, well, let's go over this panel and see what options we have. We can view created exams. This is supposed to be view assigned exams. We'll fix that. Alright, we can add instructions to our exams. Like I mentioned earlier, it's only the instructor that has the power to add instructions to exams which have been assigned to him. So once you click on that link, it brings up the list of exams assigned to you. Then you click on whichever you want to add an instruction. Type the instruction. This is a sample instruction. you want it active or inactive, whatever, then you upload, and then it's uploaded on the course which the next time you try to view instructions on CompTIA, I think this is a sample instruction which we just typed is there. You can edit or delete. Alright, next off, we can view questions. Click on this list of courses, which course you want to view questions on. Check this one, and then you have the questions on that course. Or you can also add a new question. Feel so tired, you know what I mean? Add a new question, you pick a course, and then type the question and upload. Next stuff, you can view candidates registered to your courses. So let's see who do we have on CompTIA. 3 guys. We have IK, we have Zach, and we have Sandy. Mind you can click on any of these guys to have a more detailed view. Alright, on DBMS we have 3 guys, Phil, Solo, Sandy. Alright, and that's basically what there is there. Next off, we can view examiners. Just gives you a list of all the instructors on the system, registered instructors. There isn't much you can do with this, it's just a list. Alright, next off, we can view results, completed results, all displayed here. Then finally, you can change your password at any time, any point in time. Alright, finally let's log in as a candidate, exam candidate. Let's see which candidate we go with. Sandy. Alright, Sandy, password. Alright, once logged in as a candidate, first off you get the screen. Select the course you want to be tested on. Sandy is registered to a number of courses, and all these courses have been activated to be written, so they show on her page. The same, this page is same as the take test page, is the same, basically the same. It brings you to the same place. Alright, so once Sandy clicks on an exam, let's say DBMS, next off you get course instruction and test instructions. By default the system pulls test 1 instruction 1 through 4, no, instruction 1 to 3, then 4, 5, and whichever follows are those supplied by the course instructor. So whatever the course instructor supplies appears from 4, 5, and whatever. Now this test comprises of 5 questions. If you remember, when creating an exam, you specified, it was specifically pointed out the number of questions that would be written or that would make up the test. Then secondly, the time frame for which the test is going to run. It's all on the system, so we pull this off the system dynamically as instructions. Then you're not allowed to refresh, close, or navigate to another page while the test is ongoing. Now ordinarily, if you close off the page or the tab, it simply means you've completed the test. But what I've done is that once you close off, refresh, or navigate to another page, this warning comes up to be sure that you want to do it. Confirm navigation. Are you sure you want to quit the test? Quitting now simply implies you've completed the test. If you click leave page, which means you're sure of what you're doing, we don't just disqualify you from the exam. You're scored based on what you've written already, and you can choose to stay on page and that action don't complete. If I choose to refresh, the same thing comes up, don't reload. If I choose to navigate to a different link, it comes up. So this gives us some level of security. Alright, So once you're done reading instructions, you start quiz. Okay, if you look by the right, we have our beautiful timer right here. Our time was set for 5 minutes, so 5 minutes running down already. Counting down. Question 1 of 5. What does the D in DBMS stand for? I'm gonna pick this. Next, I'm gonna pick this. Next, I love the way these things bounce. Yeah, quite nice. And once you are pointing on an option, it gives you this fine highlight. Then once you click, it does this, which is quite lovely. Next, system. Should in case the time runs out, it closes off and then gives you a time up page, whatever, something like that, and scores you based off what you've answered already. Alright, but I don't know, we can't wait for time to run out. Let's finish this off and get our congratulations page. Finish. Congratulations, you have successfully whatever. Now whenever we come to view results, we can see, yeah, we're sure to leave right now. We get to see this DBMS test that we just wrote, and we made 80%. Nice score. The time when the result was posted. So take test, view results, or change password. You can change your password at any time. Alright, that being said, I'm going to pause the video right now and we are gonna start building this. Or instead of pausing, let's just start building this video in the next video. So we'll upload this separately and then start building. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. You don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and if you have any questions or observations or comments, whatever you have you want to share, you don't forget to leave your comments down below and I'll be sure to look at it. Thank you so much. I'll see you.